Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your trading edge with SoFi. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your trading edge using SoFi, start by creating an account on the SoFi platform. Visit the SoFi website or download the SoFi app on your device. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Fill in your personal details, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password to secure your account. Once you're registered, verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into your newly created account. Familiarize yourself with the SoFi platform interface. Navigate to the Invest section to explore various investment options. Take advantage of SoFi's educational resources, which provide valuable insights into trading strategies. Access the active investing feature, which allows you to buy and sell stocks in real time. Use the research tools available on the platform to analyze stocks before making investment decisions. Utilize the SoFi stock research section to read about companies and their market performance. Consider setting up automatic recurring investments to build your portfolio steadily. Stay informed by checking the latest market news and updates directly on the SoFi platform. Join the SoFi community forums to connect with other traders and share tips. Review your portfolio regularly to assess your trading performance. Take the time to reflect on your trades and learn from your successes and mistakes. Utilize the risk management tools offered by SoFi to protect your investments. Adjust your trading strategies based on market trends and your analysis. With these steps, you can effectively enhance your trading edge on SoFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.